Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today I want to discuss something with you about the gears in the portal axles of your FCX24. As you probably know, there has been some problems with the gearing inside the portal axles of your FCX24. In the first releases, FMS put some plastic gears inside this little portal axle housing, and those plastic gears they sometimes stripped out. Actually, the tooth didn't strip out, but behind this little gear there is a small pen which causes some problems. I will show you that just a moment. If you look inside here, you can see a little notch, and those little notches are catched by this little pen over here. You can see it over here, it's a silver one. So with the plastic gears, it a lot of the times it just stripped out completely, and yeah, it was a pain in the butt. So what did FMS do to solve it? Actually, they inserted the metal gears, like I've got over here. So when we put the metal gear in back, that causes another problem, because probably someone behind the desk didn't pay attention very well, because the tooth count is only 12 instead of 14 that it should be, because the plastic ones had 14 tooth, but they replaced it with 12 tooths on the gearing. So what actually was the problem? The gearing itself, it just cut up only probably by this, so there was only a very tiny little bit of contact between the small gear and the larger gear. So that could cause some problems with slipping gears or clicking sound or not driving great. So what I did, I've ordered myself some other gears. I will show you first the difference between the smaller one and the bigger one. I've got them laying around. So if you look at this gear and this one, you can definitely see the size difference. You see, the one on the right is the one with the 12 tooth, and the one on the left is the one with the 14 tooth. So let's go ahead and remove the one with the 12 and insert this one with the 14, and then you can see the difference where I am talking about. So if you look at this one, it should be around positioned somewhere like this. You know, it's almost, yeah, touching, but not great. So let's remove the 12 pins and insert the one with the 14 tooth. So yes, it's in. And if you look at it now, let me put it like it should. Yeah, now they are touching as it should. So FMS did a good job by replacing the plastic ones by the metal ones, but somebody didn't pay attention very well, and they put in a 12 tooth small gear instead of the needed 14. So I recommend to check your rig out to see which one you have. If you've got the 12 version, I recommend to contact your store or FMS to see if you can order them, or maybe they can replace it for you, because the actual one you will need is the one with the 14 tooth. If you install this, no problems occur anymore, and the rig will perform like it should. Alright, thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below, and see you next time. Bye bye.